Welcome back, everyone. Belated Happy New Year. It's my first new video for 2026, January. So we have an HD28 here. We've got it fully calibrated for 11 to 52 strings of concert pitch. Of course, we have a compensated nut. We needed to change the nut anyway because we did a partial refret, change the first 6 frets. And we have a compensated saddle to match. So Tom wanted to get the action down a little closer. Now it plays nice and smooth. But even more importantly, it's completely calibrated now. So it'll play like an A major 7th first position. Same chord in the 10th position. A minor 9 first position, A minor 9 5th position, A minor 9 10th position. As you've seen me do many times before, I do a combination of a 6th and then I add a 10th on top. And then I diatonically, in this case it's E minor or G major. I like to take that harmonic mechanism of 1, 6, 10 and hop over to the next set of strings. Or even hop over to the next set of strings. Again, 1, 6, 10. On the first group of these 3 strings, 4th string, 2nd string, and 1st, same move on the middle group of strings. And on the bottom group of strings, 6th string, 4th string, and 3rd. So when you go to lower the action on a guitar, it's not just simply a matter of dropping the strings down at the bridge. In this case, there was too much relief. From the conversation I had with the customer, he found the guitar a little bit harder to play. There's a number of reasons for that. One is the original nut was cut so low that the strings had to be raised up for that first fret to clear. And those first 6 frets were changed, so those new frets were quite a bit higher than the original ones. Another reason why we changed the nut. And since I was changing the nut, I decided, well, I might as well do a compensated nut. One way or the other, the nut's getting changed. Now, I did compensate the saddle and the bridge as well. I do them in tandem, so the instrument is now fully calibrated end to end. So if I play, garden variety G chord, first position G, first position D, and we get the action down nice. It's very nice to play. And that is the HD28V.